How's it going, everyone? Ivan here from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more. I had some interesting updates that I actually read about the YouTube live chat. So if you are a streamer, you will now get subtitles under your videos if you are live streaming. Something also very interesting is you can link YouTube Super Chat to IFTT. What is IFTT? IFTT is a social media trigger that you can use to optimize certain types of social media elements. So for example, if somebody mentions you in Reddit, then you get a notification through IFTT so you can check it out, but you can also use it in interesting ways. For example, if somebody donates a large amount of money towards your YouTube Super Chat, you might use IFTT to trigger a certain type of event. Also, you can also use YouTube now to indicate where you are while live streaming. So for example, if you are at a great event and you want to give that shout out in regards to the event itself, you can now use that online. So those are some interesting updates in regards to live streaming on YouTube. If you have questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll link the article in regards to the updates in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.